we're just going to get over with it. So yeah, this is what the interface looks like. Then you look around. This is basically a new account, so just you can sort by pump order, featured, last reply count, market cap, creation time. Well, I prefer to sort mine based on market cap. So I'll just go to the market cap and check. These are highest tokens ever launched on Pump.Fun. That did the most perfect ranking by obviously the best to do. Here you can check the creation time. Let's just look at this. You know Michi now. You other people should know Michi. Michi did a lot good then. It's actually printed a lot for people. Printed a lot for people then. So it's going to really, it's a good watch. So looking at this now, let's wait for it a little bit longer to load. So this is what the chart looks like. So now, if you want to look at this in a clearer view, let me just minimize this. You can just, I prefer to set my chart in a second ago. It helps me gain a better entry. But if I want to see what has happened, whether the market is uptrend or downtrend, I usually put my chart in 1 hour range so that I can be able to explore the chart. And although this one is not even, the chart doesn't even matter here. It's just all about analysis and all that. So the chart basically doesn't even matter most times here. So here, these are highest ranking coins on Pump.Fun. This is the history of Pump.Fun. So I think Michi has the highest market cap, and this was launched from here. So let's imagine. So if you want to buy now, as you've connected your wallet now, we had to connect the wallet. So you connected your wallet above here. So we're just going to click on buy. You input the amount of SOL you want to buy with and place your order. You buy as fast as possible. Then if you want to use a bot, let's assume you're using a bot to trade. You can easily copy this. You can easily copy the contract address and go to the bot you're using to trade and get over with it. Okay, I'm going to just show you one analysis bot now we're going to use for this now. These are a couple of bots there. Well, in I think my next video, I'm just going to show you something in project I want to trade right now. So it's very easy. So I'm basically going to talk about it in my next video, so you know how to install them. There are more than 14 of them here. So I just pasted the contract of the machine. I copied from Pump.Fun here, and I was able to navigate and find out the right contract, market cap, the KOTH, comments, the dev. If you want to check the dev now, you can easily go, takes you directly to the dev. I'm going to cancel it now. So these are some things I've looked at in the past that the bots help me to check. For meme trading, there are a lot of hacks you need to know. So for now, you're going to look at the Remilia. This was the one I copied some time ago, and it showed me this was market cap, and all-time high market cap. And then you know how far it has dumped and whether you're buying at the top or not. You also find the page here, you find the holders, you find the price changes, you find the volume. In my next video, I'm going to make a video on how to install it on your Telegram and how to make good use of them and group of bots that can give you this analysis. Because most people use just rig bot, but rig bot cannot give you everything on this place now. So right now, we're not just looking at rig, we're looking at, and there are hacks I use as well. You can DM rig on Telegram and just ask it to suggest some very notable coins for you, and it does that. But that's not what we're here for. So just you can paste your links here. I'll do that in the next video, or any bot you use to analyze and find out more about the project before you actually buy them. That research metrics. So now we go back to what we are here for and check. something like this. Now we are going to look at start a new coin. If you want to create your coin, now you put the name of your coin, put your ticker, put your description, put file and Twitter link, Telegram link, website, and you create your coin immediately. When your coin completes its bonding curve, you receive 0.5. So this is shorting, but most times now this thing is literally free. Costs less than $2 to create a coin on Pump.Fun. So now we're not going to do it because I'll make a separate video on that and we'll create one and just test it based on the trend and everything going on. So this is it. So but now we're going to just look at how the general overview and how it looks like to be on Pump.Fun. So now we are looking at this. Most times I capitalize on projects here, King of the Hill. I capitalize on them because they rarely go wrong. Now it means these people have paid to be advertised here. And once they have paid, like I was working on one just now and it just completed the bonding curve. I spotted it at 40k market cap. It completed the bonding curve just before I started making this video. So I had to take them to Gecko Terminal to track them up till now, and it's still doing very fine. So I think, what's the market cap now? Okay, this is the volume is 200 to 200k. The last 7 hours, the last 5 minutes, what's the volume? Last 5 minutes is 54k. So I use this too. I use this very well as well because this one is very elaborate and less stressful, but it's not like Pump.Fun where you can launch tokens and all that stuff. So the link is direct to that place. So 15 minutes chat, you'll only be seeing uptrend. If you want to know what's actually going on, you can extend it to like 1 hour to know if it's up or low. Okay, you see uptrend just the past 1 hour, so it's not very elaborate. So now we're going to go with the past a second to see how people are buying, to see the buy pressure, whether it's going down. So you see now, even though it's still up, it's still very up, but you can see that the candles are more breakable. You can easily watch them and spot your entry. So let's assume now that you give this in a mark. I spotted this. What's the market cap? What's the market cap? I think the market cap is 150k. I spotted this at 100k, just 100k now. So we're already 50% up at the bin I got in. So I spotted it on Pump.Fun at 30k actually. It's completed the bonding curve. And then now I think it's 151k market cap. Still going on. Because it's not very old now. I think it's even less than 24 hours old. Let me check. Yeah, less than 24 hours old. Yes, age 19 minutes ago. So this is probably a good buy for anyone who wants to buy. See, going up very more. So it's not an investment advice though, depending on the time I made this video. I'm still going to wait for it though. I'll just give it a mark. This is a very good support here. It's a very good support, first one, and it hasn't gotten lower than this since. So let's check, and you see good buy volume for the last time. People are really being big into this. And let's check sell and buy volume. How is it? Transactions 400 and is relatively almost half. So a lot of people are really buying. They are big on this though, but just for teaching and for educational purpose. So now head back to our Pump.Fun and look at some details you want to do. In case you have any coin in mind, you can always search for them here and show animations. No, off. This is not necessary. So this is just it. Pump.Fun is as easy as anything you can think of. And then here you can easily pick up a token you're looking at and fast track them, hip fast, depending on your setup and creation time. Okay, now you can see newer, all these notifications popping up here. There are new launches coming up. This one, deep. Okay, you see, very fast. Copy. So this applies one. So the funny thing about Pump.Fun is that it takes very low liquidity to create a coin. They literally give you everything you need. All you need is just marketing and a good ticker. If you find a good ticker here, like a good ticker, this one that just completed the bonding curve now. If I want to experiment with it, okay, we have 153k now. Not very fast in Muna, but it's literally doing well. So if you want to experiment with it, we can easily go with this Bora 2.0. Go with it, Bora 2.0. Let's check it on X and see what it has to offer and see people talking about it. Okay, if it's Okay, we can just do something here. Let's check something. You use this to know what people are saying about the project and know what's going on. Just click enter. Let's check. This is called sentimental analysis. Sentimental analysis. Who pump calls. Let's see people talking about it. Let's see. 22nd August. I think it's an old one. The old one. The only legit people talking about this now, just now, is this guy. I think age 5 minutes ago. Should it be the meme? Okay, this is it. This is what we're talking about. So when he posted, it was 126k market cap. So this guy, let's check his traction and see people following him and see the kind of comments he used to get on his post. So this is literally it. Here, this is it. So I'm sure this will do well. This will do perfectly well. So I'm not going to make this video to be very long. It's going to be as short as possible. So we'll just end the video here. The next time I'm going to do about the bots I use to analyze coins I'm trading on. Thank you.